If Steam is showing error 83 when you try to launch a game, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as fast as possible. This issue is often caused by a corrupted Steam cloud sync, damaged game files, permission problems, firewall blocks, outdated drivers, or even a clogged Steam cache. So we're going to start with the easiest fix first, and then work through the rest in the order that usually solves the problem the fastest. If this video helps, please hit the like button, subscribe for more quick gaming fixes, and let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is disable Steam Cloud Sync for the game that is giving you the error 83 message. This is the most common fix because in many cases, the cloud save version and your local save file don't match properly, or the cloud data has become corrupted. To do this, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that won't launch, right-click it, and select Properties. In the General tab, look for the option that says Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud and turn it off. Once that setting is disabled, try launching the game again. If the game opens normally, that's a strong sign that the issue was related to the cloud save sync. In that case, you can keep Steam Cloud off for a while or later turn it back on and see if Steam replaces the bad cloud data with your local save. But for now, the goal is simply to confirm whether the cloud sync is what caused error 83 in the first place. If the game still refuses to start, the next step is to verify your game files. This is one of the best ways to fix missing or damaged files that can trigger launch errors. To do this, right-click the same game in your Steam library, select Properties again, then go to Installed Files. From there, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your installation and compare it to the official version. If anything is missing or corrupted, Steam will automatically repair or re-download those files. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so let it finish completely. Once it's done, test the game again. A lot of launch issues get fixed right here because even one broken file can stop the game from opening properly. If you are still seeing error 83, the next thing to try is running Steam as an administrator. Sometimes Steam doesn't have the permission it needs to access certain folders or make changes to game files. To do this, close Steam first. Then find steam.exe on your computer, right-click it, choose Properties, and open the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. After that, reopen Steam and try launching the game again. Giving Steam administrator permission can solve problems caused by restricted access, especially if the game needs to write save data or update files when it starts. Now let's check your firewall and antivirus software. Sometimes Windows Firewall or a third-party antivirus program can block Steam or the game executable without warning. If that happens, the game may fail to launch and show an error like error 83. Open your firewall or security settings and make sure both Steam and the game itself are allowed through. If you're using antivirus software, check its blocked apps or protected folder settings as well. The important thing here is to make sure the game is not being silently blocked in the background. If you recently installed a new security app or changed your firewall settings, this step becomes even more important. Once you've confirmed Steam and the game are allowed, try launching it again. If that still doesn't solve it, update your graphics drivers. Outdated or broken drivers can sometimes interfere with game startup, especially if the game depends on graphics features that your current driver version handles poorly. You can update your drivers through Device Manager, but the better option is usually to visit the official website for your graphics card brand like Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver directly from there. After installing the update, restart your PC if needed, then test the game again. This is a quick step, but it can make a big difference if error 83 is tied to compatibility or rendering issues. The last fix to try is clearing Steam's download cache. A bad cache can cause strange problems with downloads, updates, and even game launching. To clear it, open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and look for the option to clear the download cache. Confirm the action, and Steam will restart or ask you to sign in again. Don't worry, this does not delete your games, but it can remove temporary data that may be causing the error. After clearing the cache, launch Steam again and test the game one more time. In many cases, one of these steps will resolve the issue, especially the Steam Cloud toggle and file verification. So to recap, if you're getting Steam error 83, start by turning off Steam Cloud Sync, then verify your game files, run Steam as administrator, check your firewall or antivirus, update your graphics drivers, and clear the Steam download cache if needed. This order gives you the fastest path to a fix without wasting time on advanced troubleshooting first. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a like, subscribe for more Steam and PC gaming tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.